Hello, good morning. My name is Nur Shaira binti Shahri. So today I will talk about biogeography story of bird in Borneo. So the story is taken from article Observations on the Ecology, Distributions and Biogeography of Forest Birds in Sabah, Malaysia. So the study is about the forest birds. It's taken from January 2004 until July 2008, and the birds was collected at 15 sites in Borneo, which are Inubang, Anambang, Kinabalu National Park, Trias Forest Reserve, Masikuan Padang Damit, Mount Meliau, Mendolong and Mount Lumaku, Sabah Softwood, Seizim, Tawau Hill Park, Trusmati, Ulu Kimanis, Ulu Lahun Maligan, and Ulu Ruku. Next will be the problem or the distribution patterns of the birds. So the study is about migratory patterns of lowland endemic species and mountain endemic species in Sabah. In lowland, endemic bird species are complemented by close congeners in other parts of Borneo. Means they are closely related but in all parts of Borneo. For example, white-fronted falconet, the scientific name is Microhyrax latifront, which is replaced by the black-type falconet, Microhyrax fringillarius. And that was from their molecular comparison. And Sabah's endemic lowland bird population may represent remnants of native Bornean taxa that been replaced on the rest of the island by closely related invaders. So the hypothesis says that some Sabah lowland birds are relics of once widely distributed population, and that western invaders are moving eastward and may eventually overrun Sabah must be tempered by the observation that a variety of ecological disparate organisms, which presumably different dispersal capabilities, share the taxic discontinuity between Sabah and the rest of the world. In the mountains of Borneo, a different biogeographic story is emerging for birds. At least some mountain endemic are more closely related to congeners in Java than to similar taxa in the lowland of Borneo. Means they are more closely related to the Java island compared to their own mainland in Borneo. So for example, mountain Bornean swiftlet, Colocalia doge, is more closely related to Colocalia linki in Java than Colocalia esculenta in lowland Borneo. Another example is streaky-breasted spider hunter Araconthera affinis. A variety is most closely related to the Javan form of Arachnothera affinis, whereas in lowland counterpart, A. modesta concolor is the same subspecies as the form in Sumatra. So when A. modesta occurs in lowland area, it is replaced in mountain by A. affinis. However, A. modesta is not found in Sabah. In Sabah, mountain form A. affinis occur in both mountain and lowland. Presumably, in the future, if A. modesta invaders invade Sabah, A. affinis will become restricted to higher elevation only. Thank you.